Improved efficiency is essential for businesses to thrive in today's competitive landscape, and it is crucial that companies make these changes while delivering a superior customer experience. If this important step excludes the focus on customer service, business leaders risk alienating their company's customer base before the benefits of a more productive operation are realized in costs saved, carrying potentially better prices and more responsive services to the customer, as well.
Expectations have risen. Is your supply chain keeping up?
It is through streamlining the supply chain operations management processes that companies can achieve higher order accuracy, faster turnaround times, and improved customer service levels. This allows them to better meet customer demands, increase their profitability, and stay competitive in the market. Furthermore, efficiency is a crucial factor for successful supply chain operations management. Streamlining the organization's operational processes can help companies to maximize efficiency and, as a result, improve order accuracy, reduce turnaround times, and deliver better customer service. Ultimately, these efficiency gains can translate into increased profitability and better market positioning, which are essential for businesses to stay ahead of their competition. Streamlining organizational processes should be a priority for any business leader who wants to increase the efficiency and productivity of their company. Additionally, streamlining organizational processes can help to create an environment of increased employee satisfaction and motivation, helping to attract and retain top talent while achieving greater customer satisfaction. It is through identifying bottlenecks and pain points that businesses can save time and money while improving customer service to achieve a greater profitability for long-term success.